Generative AI has been really helpful for our team to scale up the video production, to launch a lot more campaigns, and with higher accuracy and higher success rate.
Hey, are you looking to remodel your home or repaint your walls this summer?
AI-generated voiceovers or digital avatar
Professional house painters and painting companies in New Zealand
has helped them a lot to generate videos in many different languages.
費用が心配ですか？そんな時はプロにお
We're
任せ。
seeing phenomenal growth in the markets like Japan and Korea, for example, that traditionally has been really more challenging for our team to get into. Generative AI tools in general, they're powerful tools for boosting efficiency. The team is now able to save on time and the cost that goes into creating the content and coming up with these new ideas. With that saved time, we're able now to spend more time on more of high-level analytical or strategic type of a task at hand. And that creates more room for personal growth and ultimately more innovation for our team. So one of the big advantages of System1 is our access to vast marketing data. Using this data really enables our buying team to make better decisions. Our team of data scientists and AI experts, that they're using this data to turn them into actionable insights. Also automated features for the buying team that enables them to launch more campaigns internationally that ultimately drives our growth.